Well, I told you I was going to let you know if anything crazy happened today on Friday, and something crazy happened. Look at this stock. So you want to become a profitable day trader? Well, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm posting videos every single day. ZN going up huge out of nowhere. So I talked about this in the last video. My recap for the day, we talked about looking to get in on ZN above $6, and then it sold off. It got halted and just crashed down. And you can see it crashed down here to 460. And I was like, okay, well, that one's done. It's not going to go anywhere the rest of the day. And then all of a sudden, look at this. So it goes just boom. So breaks over $6 area, has this trend here. It's just like beautiful. From that 460 area, it starts to squeeze the volume. Really no volume. And I was like watching it, and I was like, okay, well, I don't like the volume there. It's not looking too crazy. I don't know if I really want to take that or touch that. So people in the chat room talking about it, we were all like, keeping an eye on it, and then it started getting higher and higher. Got to the 530 area, kind of bounced at 530. A couple people actually bought dip buys there at 530, and you can see what happened. It ended up flying. So jumped up there, got close to the 588 area, and I was like, okay, if it breaks over 588, it's gonna be game on. We're gonna get a nice move here, and it's gonna go crazy. And ended up getting in there above $6 at the break of $6. It actually broke through $6 there. Pull us up a little closer. It broke through $6, pulled back. I actually got filled at 597. I was trying to get filled at 6, but ended up getting 597, so happy with that. And then all of a sudden, it squeezed up here to 618, double top. Ended up taking profit there at 613. Not looking so hot, but still, got 18-cent jump. It was a great move. Got locked in that profit. Made about $250 on that trade. And then I was like, okay, this one, it looks like it's getting pretty crazy, but didn't really know where it was going to go from there. And then it ended up getting in again. So I ended up getting in there right at the break of 620. It jumped up all of a sudden up there to 633. And I was like, okay, I'm up 10 cents. I'm taking profit. I'm already up from this last trade. I'm going to take profit fast. Just get in and out of this. Ended up dropping right after that. So I was like, okay, that's good. And then bam, squeeze higher all the way up here to 689. Crazy move here on ZN. You really have no idea what these stocks are going to do sometimes. When you get the squeeze going on, when it gets really crazy, get this huge move. It moved all the way up there to 690. I got 2,000 shares there at 620. Ended up getting out there at 631 at the break of 630 there, and then it jumped up here to 690. So missed out on a ton of profit there. I mean, that's a 50, 60 cent move there with 2,000 shares. So looking at a $1,200, $1,500 move. So you can see my P&L here, making $510 there on that move on ZN. Amazing move on ZN. I hope you guys made some profit on this one. Alerted live in the chat room. This thing went crazy up there to 690. So hopefully somebody saw. I posted this on StockTwits and other things, but crazy move here on ZN. Really, this move from that 480 area is just insane. So if you would have got in on this dip, if you got that 460 area, if you would have rode this up to the 690 area, I mean, that's very, very difficult to do that kind of move. That's 50% profit there. Even just getting these small moves, getting 10, 20% profit on this move is amazing. But you can see ZN, really a volatile, crazy one today. Jump up there to 690, crashing down to 588. It looks like it might want to go higher again. We're going to play it, see if it wants to get up there to that $7 area. So keeping an eye on it, but really just want to break this move down. I didn't have time to live record. I was actually doing other things, and all of a sudden I look over and ZN was flying. You can see how fast these stocks move. When they get moving, they just start moving really quickly, and you don't have time to really prepare. And that's how it went. So I ended up taking profit there on ZN, making $500. I'm up about $700 on the day. So great day in the small account. It's Friday. I'm happy going into the weekend with a nice fat payday. It's a Fresh Cash Friday in the chat room. Everyone's making money. Everyone's happy. I think now officially I'm going to head to the pool, making $700 today, trading for a couple hours this morning, working on a couple of videos, doing things. And hopefully you guys saw this move. ZN going crazy. Talked about it in our chat room. Talked about it in the Facebook group. Talked about it on StockTwits. Talked about it everywhere. So if you missed out on this, there's a reason that you aren't following the alerts. You're not following whatever I'm posting. Make sure you follow me on Twitter or whatever it is that you use. You can join our Facebook group as well. I'll put a link in the bio. But if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this video and let's make some money.